Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1968 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we got the 302 Ford roller lifter cam in there, brand new timing cover, double roller timing chain, new balancer, brass freeze plugs installed, engine block painted the black, oil pressure extensions installed, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filters all set, aluminum cylinder heads are on there. You have the black ignition wires with all the wire markers on there, roller rocker arms fully adjusted, Cobra valve covers with the matching Cobra air cleaner, distributor set in place, MST ignition coil, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's C4 transmission, proper balance and tooth count for the 302 Ford, PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell, electric choke wire, chrome dipstick and tube. We have the polished serpentine pulley kit on here, 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, correct water pump for the 68 Mustang, lower hose on the passenger side, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there all set, 45-degree thermostat's installed. Every engine at the engine factory is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in a stand. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, complete turnkey, drop-in ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.